I know you've tried a lot of recipes, puff puff or dry BOFROT, but trust me, this one is, oh my goodness, so perfect and easy to make. So I decided to share the recipe with you. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena, and if today is the first time here, you are highly welcome. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my 1.5 cups of milk. I will just go ahead and add 1.5 tablespoons of yeast. Then I added a tablespoon of sugar. I will mix it very well, then put it in a warm place. It was actually in a warm place for 10 minutes, and this is how it is looking. So we are just going to add a 1/2 cup of heavy cream, then vanilla, that is a tablespoon of vanilla. I added some sugar. You can add any quantity of your choice. Then I've added my 4 cups of flour. I'll go ahead and mix it very well. So please, if you've watched me till this point and you've not yet, like, subscribe, share and comment. Please, what are you waiting for? Do so for me, and I'll be very grateful. Thank you very much for doing it for me. And please do not forget to follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So we are done mixing. We are just going to knead the dough. Okay, I will just knead it for just 30 minutes. Okay, because already the dough is soft, so we don't need any hard work beer. So I've added some butter, and that is a stick of butter. Okay, I'm just going to leave all the ingredients in the description box. Please check it out for me so that when you try it, you can get perfect result. So I will mix it very well, then we proceed. Hello, my returning subscribers. You are amazing. I'm so grateful for everything you've been doing for me, for always watching my videos, liking, commenting, sharing, and also doing everything for me. Okay, I do appreciate it. So I'll mix it very well till it becomes uniform, and as you can see, it is very soft and it has become uniform. We are just going to put this in a warm place for just 20 minutes, and I will get back to you. So please, if you've watched me till this point and you haven't subscribed, oh, what are you waiting for? Please smash on the red subscribe button and the bell icon that says all, so that when we upload new videos, you will be updated. I know you will do it for me, and you've even done it already. So after 20 minutes, this is how it looks, and we are just going to cut this into the shapes that we want. Okay, so if you want it smaller, you do it anyhow that you want. Okay, thank you very much. So I was behind time and I had to fry some for Bratio to send to work. So I decided to do that one fast. Then we proceed to the next ones that we'll be doing. Okay, yes, so that is what I am coming to fry right now, and I'm going to share with you how I made it in different shapes. Okay, so we are going to make this shape for him, and actually I am not at home. I just realized that I don't have rolling pin. So I used my hand to roll it too. Yes, I don't have rolling pin, so maybe later when I go out I'll go and buy some, because I'm not at home. So this is what I've able to done, and I'm just going to fry it. I didn't put it in a one place to double in size. I just fry it, and this is how it looks because I'm in a hurry. So now we are just going to take our time to make this very perfect and very nice, and you will see that when you take your time to prepare food, you always get perfect and beautiful results. So this is how I'm going to make this. I'm going to make it round, and make sure you seal it very well so that it doesn't open. Okay, seal it very well. You can actually make it this shape as well. As I told you earlier, I don't have rolling pin at my current location. So yes, we are just going to make something. Make sure we are done with it in anyhow that we want it. Okay, so I've made this one too, and I'm going to make another one, and I will show you how it looks. Okay, yes. So please, if you've watched me till this point, please subscribe for more videos. Okay, and I am very sure you're going to love it. Yes, I'll be bringing you more videos, and please follow me on Instagram at lovely_mina_1992. Then please follow me on TikTok at exhibiting_recipes_250. So this is another one I made, and it was so perfect. So after that, we are just going to leave this in a warm place for 1 hour, because I don't have anyone to tell me, oh, I'm late. Yes. So it was after 1 hour before we fried it. So whilst we are waiting for it, we are just trying to put our oil on fire, and after 1 hour, this is how it looks. So we are just going to fry this, and I can't wait to show you the outcome. Oh my god, I feel like crying, tears of joy. It was so perfect, so soft, and oh my god, I enjoyed it with my chilled coffee drink pie. Hey, it was like the first day I met some guy. Forget about that, okay? So you can see, so perfect. Oh my god, it looks so good, and it didn't burn, unlike the one that I fried earlier and I was in a hurry. So you see, when you take your time to prepare something, you get perfect and beautiful outcome always. So this is how it looks, and thank you for watching. I do appreciate your time here, and please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. Just try this at home. Add some chilled soya milk or some chilled chocolate drink then let me know how it went. Oh my god. You will feel it, guys. That was very nice, very nice. Yes, and you know what, I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'll be very happy to see you in the next video, so please do not miss it, and please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so that I will see you in the next video. And do not forget to leave me any suggestion that you have for me. If you want me to try any recipe, please leave it in the comment section for me, and I'm going to try my hands on it, and I'll be bringing the video. Thank you very much once again. Until I come your way next time, do not forget that I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.